Hi my loves, so for today's video we're going to be using the new Catrina 2 palette by Jacy Cosmetics. I really love it. I think it's so beautiful, everything down from the artwork and design. So you can also use my discount code JDESTV to save a little bit of money. So if you want to see how I did this look, then please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do, as always, is take my Cosmetics Mega Waterproof Concealer and I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Now this is going to give me an even tone surface to work on. Next, I'll be taking this brush from Glitter Realm Co. and it comes in a bundle, which I will link down below for you guys. And I'll be picking up this shade right here, and I'm just going to start by applying that on the outer corner with patting motions to really get it to stick to that concealer. And I'm going to drag it into the crease. And as always, I'm just going to take a little bit of product at a time and continue to build up that color until it's to the intensity that I want it to be. And next, I'm going to be adding some of the shade called Pumpkin right on top of that red shade just to deepen it up a little bit more. And I just wanted to show you guys how I hold my brushes. I always hold it toward the end of the brush. Next, I'll be picking up this brush by Beauty. It's the number 112. And I'm going to dip into this shade right here. It's a beautiful sunflower yellow. And I'm going to use this shade to buff out this red shade that we just applied. Now I'm applying it directly on top of that red shade on the outer corners, and I'm just going to continue to buff it until it's to the softness that I desire. And also notice that it's creating this beautiful orange sunset blend. So here I'm just taking some more and then just continuing to blend it out because I really like to have my edges really nice and soft and gradient. So now I'm just fast forwarding a little bit and I'm just going to continue to do the same steps. Next, I will be picking up the shade Inferno on this tapered blending brush, and this one's also by Beauty. I'm going to start by packing that on the outer corner, and I'm just going to drag it into the crease as well to give it some more depth. And as always, I always use a light hand when blending and then continue to do circular motions back and forth. And just taking a little bit more of that same shade and applying some more. Now I'm going to be adding some more of that shade called Gyrosil, that nice yellow shade, just to blend it all together. Next, with a concealer brush, I'm going to be taking some of that concealer and I'm going to start by cutting my crease. Now I'm just doing a half cut crease, so what I like to do is cover most of the lid portion first. I sort of look up and let it draw sort of a line parallel to my natural crease line. Now this isn't going to work for everybody, I know, because we have all different eye shapes, but this is just how I do it. Now if you're trying to do it this way, just make sure that you don't roll your eyes back too much because the concealer will transfer over. And now once you're happy with the shape of the cut crease, now I'm taking my smaller e.l.f. concealer brush just to smooth out the concealer. I'm not going to set it at all. I'm just making sure it's nice and smooth so that we can apply some more eyeshadow on top of it. Next, with a flat brush, I'm going to be taking that shade Gyrosil and I'm going to apply that on the first half of the cut crease. I like to start off by using patting motions to get it to stick to the concealer, and then I'm going to go in with another layer. And next, I'm going to be applying the shade Tangerine right next to that yellow, and I'm just going to slightly overlap them as well so that I can start getting them to blend together. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of that shade Inferno and I'm going to apply it right at the edge. Now I'll be picking up a little bit of the shade Chocolate just slightly and applying it at the edge as well. And if you want to, I'm taking a little bit of that shade Girasol and then just making sure that everything is blended out together. And here I'm just taking a clean, soft, fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend out those edges just one last time. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to be applying a little bit of the shade Girasol on the first half. And then the shade Tangerine as well. Next, I'm going to be curling my lashes and then I'm going to apply some mascara. For today's mascara, I'm going to use the ColourPop BFF mascara, the black one. Next, I'll be taking some Aztec Gold Loose Pigment by Jacy Cosmetics and I'm going to apply that on the inner corner as well as highlight my brow bone area. Next, I will be taking these lashes called Dare You by the Lashbox. So this completes the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a blessed week and we'll see you next time.